Welcome back to Bennock's Garage. Today we are working on the GMC Sonoma again. I do plan on taking the motor and transmission out again because I want to put in the smaller brake booster that I bought. I bought a little 7-inch dual diaphragm. I bought the non-AC delete kit so we can delete all this crap. I can put my tall valve covers back on then. So right now the rocker arms are hitting the valve covers. I don't drive it that much, I don't really care. I'm probably, you can see I already cut a piece out of this. I'm probably going to take this and cut the whole top of it off. I just don't need it. I can take this, unscrew it from there, and then just put this down on that and use a smaller one. All in all, it should be quick and easy. Reason why I have to take the motor out is back here for the AC delete. There's screws that are behind the engine I just can't get to. So, engine's going to come out, fender's going to come off, inner fender's going to come out, just so I can get to that whole unit right there. Alright, I got the engine and transmission out. It took about 3.5 hours. I got it pretty much down packed. It does look like you're going to have to take off your inner and outer fender just to get to the AC box unit to pull it completely out. I don't really see any other way of getting access to it. And then I'm going to have to probably push it outside so I can get the door open, because the door is right next to the pillar, just to get the brake booster off. So this 10 mil right here is the only reason why you have to take off your fender. And to take off your fender, it's all 13s, 2 that go up, 2 in the door, upper and lower, and 1 that goes in backwards on the bottom facing in. Of course, the front half, but my front half is already removed. So that's how you have to take off the fender, just to get this thing off. While trying to take the brake booster out, the top right bolt is damn near impossible to get out. It can be done, but it is a work of art to get into it. Everything is in your way. I even took the gas pedal out just to try to get in through the back side on the gas pedal side, because if you look up, I don't know if you can even see it. Okay, 1, 2, 3 over there, all taken out. The one over on this side up top, you can't get to, because you see everything is in your way. So now my option is going in through this side. Haven't tried it yet, but that's what I'm going to try to do now. Alright, what a nightmare to get that thing off. I know, people are going to say, why are you crying? It is what it is. So, it's off. The old one, I measured up. You can see a little black mark here. That little black mark's my cut line to this one. So what I'm going to have is 2 nuts, two nuts lined up. I'm going to weld them together and then put this in the top of the second nut in order to weld that together to give me my proper distance for a brake pedal. So after you get it all welded together and cleaned up, it should look something like that and measure exactly the distance as it did before. Quick and easy. Alright, the new one is in. Size comparison. There's the old. There's the new. Itty bitty dual diaphragm 7-inch. Super excited. And there we have it. Believe it or not, it was a direct bolt in. Bolt patterns lined up on the back of there. It bolts right up to my master cylinder. Brake lines lined up exactly. I didn't have to move anything. So in that aspect, it was easy as hell, except for that one bolt, top right hand bolt. That one's a pain in the butt. Alright, now you can actually see how much room I have between the tall valve covers and the brake booster. It's a good 4.5 inches. You know, No problem at all getting these covers off now. Not even getting to that bottom bolt, which is there. Very easy. Well, she's finally done again. I adjusted the tune a little bit better. I found out when I pulled the spark plugs that I was running really rich. I'll keep it around 12.5 air-fuel ratio, and I narrowed it down to about 13 to 13.2, and I gotta say it does run a lot better. Lots of room. Yeah. When it comes to starting it, I even think that starts a little bit better too. Before I was having a lot of issues with cold starting.
For Bull 57.
So now, just as easy as that. All right. That's going to be the end of this one. Thanks for watching.